Hey, what's up guys? I'm DH and we're here at the S3 shop with Squirt, where today we're gonna walk you guys through the install of upper and lower radius rods for the Polaris RZR Pro R and Turbo R. Let's get to it, Squirt. Tools needed: floor jack, jack stands, sockets 19 millimeter, 21 millimeter, wrenches 21 millimeter, 1 5/16", dead blow hammer. Place the Pro R on flat level ground and put the machine in park. Elevate it until the front tires are off the ground and support with suitable jack stands. Then remove your rear tires using a 19 millimeter socket for stock lug nuts. The upper radius rod nuts are a little hard to access, so make sure you note how to get to them. Remove upper radius rod. All hardware is 21 millimeter. If the bolt's in a bind, you can lift up on the trailing arm a little bit to free it. Then remove your inner radius rod bolt and the whole upper rod is ready to come off. Next, adjust the length of the S3 radius rod to be the same length as stock before you install it. Since the upper radius rods are the same left and right, install the radius rod onto the machine. You can go ahead and tighten your bolts. On the outer bolt, don't push it in all the way so that you can still get your nut on it. We like to use red Loctite right here. Tighten your bolts to factory specs. Next, remove the stock lower radius rods. On the lower rod, remove your outer bolt first, then your inner bolt. You may need to swing the trailing arm out a little bit to release the radius rod. Adjust the length of the S3 lower radius rods to be the same length as stock before you install them. Next, install the S3 lower radius rod. Make sure the O-ring is on the correct side. When installing the lower radius rod, you may need to manipulate the trailing arm a little bit to get the bolts to line up. Tighten these bolts to factory spec. We like to use red Loctite. Go ahead and final tighten. Repeat everything on the other side. Reinstall tires and recheck all hardware. Pull your machine back and forth a few times to settle your suspension. Once the suspension is settled, we can set our camber. In this video, we set the camber to be 0 degrees at ride height. Looking at the RZR from the driver's side, rotate the upper radius rod clockwise if you want to move the top of the tire towards the machine. Looking at the RZR from the passenger side, to pull the top of the tire towards the machine, rotate the passenger side counterclockwise. Once the camber's set, you can lock down your jam nuts. Test drive and recheck all hardware. All right guys, there you have it. That wraps up the install of our upper and lower radius rods for the Polaris RZR Pro R and Turbo R. Thanks for watching. That wasn't so bad, huh, Squirt?